In this video, I show you how to make $91 per hour just by watching videos, one of the easiest ways to make money online. How to do it? We are about to find out. Here's how to make money online just by watching videos. Also, only a small fraction of people who watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you enjoy this video, consider subscribing with notifications. It's free and you can always change your mind later. Thus, whenever I have a new and fresh strategy for making money online, I will notify you so that you can be one of the first to use it. Thus, of course, earn more money. So the first step is to play the video. The second step is to watch it for at least 60 seconds. The third step is to cash out your earnings. It's as simple as that. Today I am going to show you the single most effective website to earn money online just by watching videos. This website is accessible from anywhere in the world and is completely free to use. Before I tell you how you can do it, comment below, "I'm from empty space, aka your country." That way, I'll know exactly where you're from. So in the future, I can make sure that every single video I release is for you. So write your country name in the comments below. And don't forget, I'll give special bonus tips that will allow you to earn twice or even 3 times more money than other people. So make sure to stick around and watch all the way to the end. Now coming to the video. First, I would like you to visit the website zoombucks.com. This website is completely free, safe, and legitimate. As you can see, you can earn money simply by completing surveys, watching videos and TV shows, and making offers. However, for the purpose of this video, we'll focus on watching videos because it's something you already do every day, and it pays you the most for the least amount of effort. So go ahead and click on the Watch TV option. Now, allow me to explain to you how this website works. The first step, create a free account on this site. The second step, select a channel that interests you. After that, start watching TV shows and videos. After watching these videos, points will be credited to your account. You can also keep track of more earnings by switching between different channels. And finally, exchange your points for cash or gift cards. It's that simple. So make sure you watch this video completely to understand how this website works. As mentioned earlier, the first step is to create a free account on this website. To do this, go to the home page and enter your email address and create a password, and click Sign Up Now. You can also use your Facebook or Google account to sign up for an easy experience. Now, once you log into your Zoombucks account, you can check how much money you can earn on this website. You can see that people have made anything from $200 to $500, and you could be next. All of these people are earning money on Zoombucks by watching videos, completing surveys, or making offers. The best part is that there are a huge number of videos available here, and all those videos are updated every day, which means that there are endless opportunities for you to earn money here just by watching videos. To get started, click the clock on the left. After that, you will see the words Hideout TV and Lootably on the inboxes. And if you hover your cursor over them, you will see the details of their offer. After that, select the recoverable by clicking on this Start button. You will then be taken to a page where you can select a video category. You have the option to choose from food, DIY, or random video categories. On the right, you can see how many points you can earn in the respective categories. If I select food, for example, I will be taken to this website. To proceed, you will need to sign up for a free account, as you can see right here. To do this, enter your email address, create a password, and just click Sign Up. After creating a Lootably account, you will be brought to a page where you can view all the videos in the food category. This website allows you to watch as many videos as you want. Now, if I click on it here, for example, I will be taken to another page where I have to watch the video for at least 60 seconds to earn money. To give you a bonus tip on how to increase your income, you can watch videos of your choice on different tabs at the same time. This way you can watch a lot of videos while doing other things. This way, you will be able to earn more money with less time and effort. You can watch more videos by clicking on all these videos on the right. Another bonus tip I have is to lower the video quality by clicking on Video Settings. To save data, I want you to set it to minimum video quality. As a result, you will be able to watch more 60-second videos while earning more money. These bonus tips are quite useful, and you can use them immediately to double, triple, or quadruple your earnings on this website in a single day. Now before we go any further, if you guys are enjoying this video that I put so much time and energy into making, I'd really appreciate it if you guys hit the like button. Be sure to tap and subscribe with notifications. And if we get 2,000 likes on this video, I'll drop a brand new video next week to show you guys exactly how to make more money online doing basic things like this from the comfort of your own home. Can go. Now coming to the video. Now that you know how to make money on Zoombucks.com just by watching videos, I would like to show you another way to make money from this site, and that is by filling out surveys. On the left side of your Zoombucks dashboard, you should see surveys that you should click on. By doing so, you will be presented with a list of companies that offer easy surveys for you to complete. Each survey will pay you 85 cents, 60 cents, $10, $3, and $5 or more as shown here. Just click on the company that gives you the most money. Then, follow the same steps as before, just create a free account with the company of your choice and start taking as many surveys as you want. Now if you want to earn even more money, then you need to watch this video here so that you can discover the fastest way for newbies to earn money online, which is available worldwide.